Hello, Earth System Science. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I am doing well. I have received a negative COVID result from my cold last week. Last week was interesting in many ways, not only because I missed several days because of the cold that I caught from my toddlers, but also we had a snow day on Monday, and so everything kind of got thrown off. And the short story long is that I haven't seen A group from my odd classes in a long time. And so that means that I think the best thing we can do is use this week as a regroup. Okay, and so I have a lot of missing assignments that are kind of lingering out there, which I will kind of go back over briefly. But this week is going to be devoted to getting our routines in place, right? I'm planning on seeing A group on Monday, B group on Tuesday, um, and spending time in those classes, checking in individually, giving out missing assignment reports, and getting people where they need to be so we can move forward. Okay, and so with that, that is the agenda, right? Success criteria, literally turn in missing assignments and be prepared to move on. Because next week, we are going to jump into a rather large project that will rely a lot on your ability to work independently, do some research, do some thinking. And so I want everyone to be at a good place before we get into that. Okay, so that is what we're doing both in class, right? And this is the chance where I will give you clear missing assignment reports and clear directive of how to turn in things you're missing. And then online, same thing. Anything you can do asynchronously, especially if it was a video. Very important to email me with the specific assignment that you missed. Okay, it's impossible for me to go back and kind of sift through everyone's if you happened to have finished something. Okay, and so that is it. Things that are commonly missed. Last week, a lot of people that and Group A obviously missed out sort of the in-person part, but I'm missing a fair amount of the water quantity mini poster. A lot of people did not read the article about the Colorado River that is now running dry. And then, of course, even from the week before, a lot of people that did not watch the episode dealing with lack of water on the Navajo Nation. Okay, so those are kind of top three missed on top of the local water one pager. I'd say that a lot of those are missing as well, if I may as well jump into it. And so between the one pager that I do need, either a picture or if we're meeting in person, a physical one pager with all the requirements. Between that, the Ed Puzzle episode, and then the two items from last week, there's plenty of catch up to do this week. And so I will go over more of this in detail in class and maybe give a little bit of a preview of what's to come. But that is the week. I'm hoping to finally see everybody um, in a routine. So please reach out with any questions you have. As always, my email is right there on every post. But other than that, see you in class. Thank you guys.